Traders, Anthony here. I just posted a US oil trade idea into Tradingview. Here are my ideas. That's the idea here. And what I want to do with the video is explain my reasoning and just a word of caution with this trade. I'm giving it maybe 60 to 70% success rate. Let's just go out of here for a second and have a look at this on a weekly time frame. See how overextended this is on the weekly. All right, this is due for a pullback, I would say. We're trading into, see these lows, this high back in here, so we could pull a range through here. This is quite a strong resistance level. Okay, these lows, this candle low, these candle body low, candle high, over here this high. Okay, so big resistance level. I would expect that there's resting orders in here that will cause this thing to roll over. So that's the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, see these candles high, these wicks, same thing, right? So there's resting liquidity above here prior to this sell, and they're cleaning those stops out at the moment. So just be really careful with this. I think it might be at the end of its run here. Again, I think this is a 60, maybe 70%, but probably leaning more of a 60% success rate with this, and it's pushing right to the high of these highs and these lows over here. So that's a big level, just where these lows and these highs meet. Okay, I would be inclined to take partial profits off early and then trail it with your stop loss. In other words, take partial profits off at this level here. So I would call this TP1 right here, T1 definitely. And at that point, you know, you can take 2/3 of your position off and be in the money, and then pull your stop loss up to break even or better. Okay, so this one here is a bonus. If it continues on, that would be nice. I'm not really an Elliott wave kind of guy, but you know, I mean, you could argue that there's probably a 5-wave structure in it. I will not call myself an Elliott wave. What I do go with though is, see these 3 drives. I'm definitely into the 3 drive pattern. Well, you got this drive here actually, drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, 3 drive pattern. Generally when you see 3 drives like this, in other words, you know, drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, we could see this retrace. So just be really careful with this trade. Traders, very quickly, I just want to show you this 15-minute time frame. We're on the same crude oil chart. I want to introduce you to our Tradingview indicators and these signals. Whenever you see one of these signals in the alerts log over here, fire, you click on it, you come into the chart. And if this is where you arrived, you take this trade based on this green bar. At the moment you can forget about this one underneath, because this one here trumps this one. So we take this trade based on this indicator. This is a daily and a 4-hour strong bullish momentum. Okay, look at the outcome. All right, again, when you have these green bars under, you're looking for buy opportunities. And again, green bar under, this is even a stronger signal yet again. When this one fires, we look for the retrace, 50% of the previous price swing, pull back, and we buy. This one here, we're looking for a 50% pullback. And when that occurs from the previous low, we enter. Green signals, we take these trade. Okay guys, jump on board. The website's tradingwithanthony.com, and there's a 30-day free trial. Join us. Yeah, we'll get back to the video. What else can I say about this? Yeah, you know, it's a bit long in the tooth. At some stage, the trend is not going to be your friend. In saying that, I mean, this is running with my strategy. I'm always looking for the retrace for an entry point. You know, there's a market entry right there. Stop below the previous low. With that, I'd like to invite you to check out my link tree, link below, and we've got TradingView indicators and VIP tutorials and signals and what have you. There's free access to that 30-day trial, so have a look at that in the link tree website below. Okay guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.